Hello traders, so today's video is about Fibonacci levels. In this video I will gonna explain you how to draw Fibonacci level easily and effectively. Second thing, I will explain you what are the three important level in Fibonacci which gives you trend reversal or reversal. The last concept we will discuss is I will gonna take 10 example and will show you in this video that the levels in Fibonacci are really working. But first of all, I have an important information. The YouTube platform provides us to make videos, tutorials, but if you wanna read articles related to my strategy, related to trading, then you must visit our website. I will leave the link in the description as our website is now in a developing stage. I am writing the articles for the website, so you may not find the link now, but if you are watching this video after some days, then you will find the link. So do visit if you want to read the article as well. So let's start from the first topic. So first I will explain you how to draw the levels, the Fibonacci level easily. So it is very easy. What you have to do is you have to pick the trend. So let me take this. As you can see, this is an uptrend. It can be seen easily that this is an uptrend. So what you have to do, you have to take the lower low, which is here, and you have to make it to the higher high, to this level. So I will select the Fibonacci and I will do this. So as you can see, I have taken the level from the lowest point to the highest point, and now our level is being drawn properly. So this is about uptrend. You have to start from the lower point, but if we are trading on a downtrend, what you have to do, okay, let me select, okay, so as you can see, this is a downtrend. This particular trend is a downtrend. So in this case, what you have to do, you have to select the Fibonacci and you have to start from the higher high, which is the highest point, and go to the lowest point, which is this. So this is how you can draw a Fibonacci level in a downtrend, and I have explained you how to draw it in an uptrend. So this is about Fibonacci. Now let's talk about the important level. So first I will draw the level again, then I will explain you what are the three most important level in Fibonacci. And okay, what's the mistake? Okay, now it's done. So as you can see, I have drawn our Fibonacci levels. Now the three most important levels are 61.8, 50, 38.2. These are the most important level which will give you reversal as well as trend reversal. A complete trend reversal can be seen from the 61.8 level, which is also called golden ratio, and this is the most important level in Fibonacci tools. 61.8 is the most important level. Second most important is 38.2, which will give you some reversals, not the trend reversal. Trend reversal can be seen from 61.8. I will explain you, I will give the reason why. And the third level is 50, which is also important. So why 61.8 is very important? So if you look carefully in a downtrend, what is Fibonacci level? It is a group of support and resistance level. So these levels are actually support and resistance level. And if you look carefully here, the 61.8 is the last level of resistance in a downtrend market. It will be the last level, and that's why this is very important, because this is the last chance for the sellers to enter in the market, and that's why they make the trend to continue. You will find several example of trend reversal from 61.8 because it is the last level. It is about downtrend, as you can see. And if we talk about an uptrend, let me draw our level again. So if we talk about an uptrend, in this case 61.8 is here, and it is the last support level where the buyers can enter and make the trend to go in the upward direction again. So that is why 61.8 level is most important. And talking about 38.2, it is also important. It will give you several reversals. I'm not talking about the trend reversal. You may find some trend reversal, but 61.8 is the most efficient when it comes to trend reversal. Now, there is one common mistake that people do. They think that these levels, which is shown here, are the exact level of support or resistance, which is completely wrong. They give us a overall conclusion that this area is now can work as a support. So what you have to do in order to make your level perfect, you have to find a level before, like you can see 38.2 is here, but it will not be the exact level of support. So you need to find out that what is the nearest support or resistance here. So if we look carefully here, we can find it easily that, let me change the color. Okay, so you can find it easily that this complete area is actually 38.2. This line is not the actual support. This whole area is the actual support, which can give you reversal. And let's see here. You can see that the market reverses from the 38.2 area. It didn't touch the exact line of Fibonacci 38.2, but it hit the area which we have drawn now and reverses. So this is how you can find the support or the resistance level using Fibonacci level. Or so now let's take 10 example. I will take 10 example and will show you that 38.2, 61.8 and 50 level worked really well. So let me start from, okay, let's go before. Okay, we will select this level, and as you can see, it is ranging market, so we will select this. Now as you can see, okay, it is ranging. Let's, okay, this seems a good, not a good, but a downtrend market, so we will gonna use this particular. So let's start from here. So if you look carefully here, you will find that this is the highest point. So what we will do, as it is a downtrend, so we will start from the highest point and we'll go to the lowest point till here. So as you can see, the market, this is the lowest point and this is the highest point, and that's why we have selected this level. So now if you are here, suppose what you have to do, you have to wait for the market to go up. Now if you go here, you will find that 38.2 doesn't work. So you don't have to take trades on every level. Why? Because you need to analyze the candlestick as well. If you look carefully here, this is a big green candle which is suggesting market wants to go up, so it is better not to take a trade against a strong candle. So now let's talk about the 61 level. You can see the level worked here. So as you can see, 61.8 level is here, but is it the actual resistance level? No, it's not. So what we have to do, we have to draw an area of resistance so that we can use it. Okay, let me go. Okay, so now we have an area. So this is the complete area, 61.8 level. It is the 61.8 level resistance area. So let's check if this level worked or not. You can see it worked here. The market, this is a trend reversal. You can see the trend reverses to its own direction after hitting the 61.8 level. It worked here as well. 61 level worked here as well. And okay, so let's take another example. Okay, we will select this. It seems legit, so let's start from here. And Okay, so we have a level. I will. Okay. So we have selected, as you can see, it is a downtrend. So we have selected, we have started from the higher high to the lower low. Now, as you, if we wait here, like suppose if we are here, what we have to do, we have to wait for the market to go up in order to hit these level. And one more thing, if you want to trade, if you are trading on forex market, you need to wait for the 61.8 level at least to catch a trend reversal. At least this is the important point. If you are trading binary option, then you can use 50, 61.8 and 38.2 level easily. So let's start from here. So as you can see, this is our 638.2 level. Did it work here? No. Why? Because if you look carefully, the last candle was strong, and it is better not to take trade uh, uh, or going against the strong candle. So it's better to wait here because the last candle seems strong, and so this level didn't work. But if you look carefully here, it worked here. You can see the market closes below the 50 level. This was the 50 level. It closes below, it reverses, it again reverses, it again goes down. So for a binary option trader, you can find two opportunities here, but for a forex trader, you need to wait for the 61.8 level. But now, is it the actual resistance? It's not. So what you have to do, you always have to select an area of resistance or support. It's up to the trend, whatever you are using. So this is the actual resistance, and you can see that it worked here very well. It worked here very well. Now talking about the 61.8 level. So I will first delete this and will find this. So as you can see, this is the actual level of 61, and if you look carefully, this is our area. This is the area. This line is giving us an approximation, not the exact level. This area is the resistance, and if you look carefully here, the last candle braked the level easily. So is it do you find any trading opportunity here? For me, it's a clear no, because the level is being crossed easily by a strong candle, and I cannot say that we can have a trading opportunity here. So it is important to analyze the candlestick as well. As just using Fibonacci level blindly and following these levels is not going to give you results you wanted from your trading. You have to analyze the candlestick, you have to draw the levels which are near to these points. They are only providing you an approximation. So this is how it works. So let me take this example as well. Okay, so as you can see, this is the highest point and this is the lowest point, and I will select the Fibonacci level. Okay, first I will start from this, because if suppose we are here, then the market started reversing from this level. So this will be the highest and this will be the lowest, and you can see the market goes up and it reverses from that 50 level. Now the best part about this 50 level is I don't have to make an area here. Why? Because it is at a round number, at a whole number of 1.242000, which is by itself a strong resistance area. So in that condition, I don't have to make an area because this is a whole number, and when it comes to support or resistance, whole number works the strongest. So this is how the 50 level reverses the market. It again reverses the market. Now if you look carefully here, what you find is that, let me first draw the level again. Okay, so now I have selected the overall trend till this point. If you are trading on a smaller time frame, you can select this highest point, and this is the this two as a lowest point, which will work for sure. So in that case, if you see clearly that the 38.2 level gave a small reversal, 50 level also provide a reversal. Okay, it provides a reversal, and 61.8 is being crossed completely. So in that case, no need to take trade because sometimes the level broke easily, so you have to wait for the 100 level to touch. In this case, the market didn't reach to this 100 level, but is it the actual resistance? No, it's not. It's just the approximation. To find the real level, you have to draw an area, which I am gonna draw. And look, this is the area, and the market reverses from that exact area. And one more important thing, it is at a whole number of 1.242000. So these all small things complies and together makes your trading better. It needs a lots of practice. It cannot be achieved. You cannot achieve success by Fibonacci level just trading for the first time. You have to make sure that you are practicing in a certain manner that fits your trading style. So let me take one more example. As you can see, this is the highest point and this is the lowest point. Let's take one more. Okay, now let's change the chart. Okay, so I am at AUD USD, and okay, so as you can see, and one more thing, if you are using Fibonacci level, try to use it in a trendy market. Using it in a ranging market cannot make you will not going to make you a good trader. So always try to take trades using Fibonacci when there is a trendy market. So as you can see, I am constantly finding trendy market, and in that case, okay, so this is something that it is changing its trend. So I will use this level and I will finish the video. I have taken 5 to 6 example till now. So as you can see, I have drawn my level here. This is the level, this is the highest point, and this is the lowest point. And now if you look carefully here, the first most important thing, the 61.8 level gives a trend reversal, which is from this level to the bottom level. It can give you a good profit if you are trading forex, and if you are trading binary, it will going to give you a sure profit easily. And important thing is you have to draw the area, and in this case you can see 38.2 also provides a reversal for a binary trader. 50 level is being crossed easily, so it worked as a support. If the level is not working as a resistance, it will work as a support. As you know that whenever there is a break in the resistance becomes support, and whenever there is a break in the support level, it becomes resistance. So it goes same in the Fibonacci level, and I think I have explained you what is needed and what I know. And in the coming time, I will be taking trades using the Fibonacci level in front of you so that you all can understand it more clearly. And till now you understand the basic concept, which is important, and you can start practicing using this concept. So I will make future trading videos over Fibonacci as well, but I will finish this video here and will make more videos in the coming time. So till then, keep trading, keep working hard, keep learning. Good day.